Guys, I made Valentine's Day cards for everyone. You know, to celebrate the holiday. Kevin, that's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. Valentine's Day is a made-up holiday. It doesn't mean anything. Yeah, I gotta agree with Ichi. Here, Goji, happy Valentine's Day. Thanks, Kevin. You know, I didn't really get you one. I didn't expect you to get me one, seeing as how, you know, we've tried to kill each other, but happy Valentine's Day, kiddo. Rodan, here's yours.
What? For me? Oh, thanks, bud. You shouldn't have.
No problem. Here you go, Miss Mothra. I hope you like it. I put special care in yours.
Aw, thanks, Kevin. Oh, that's a lot of X's and I know it's Kevin. I like you as a friend. Yeah, a really good friend. You're so kind and nice and sweet. I hope we're friends for a very long time.
Ugh, can you believe that, Nee? Our brother made cards for everyone. Even our greatest enemy, Godzilla. Right, mate. He's so stupid. I mean, it's not like I wanted one or anything like that. It's not like I'm his brother or anything, but it's fine. It's just Valentine's Day. It's done. It's done, mate. Here, Nee, here's yours. Oh, thanks, mate. Means a lot to me, Kevin. What? You've got to be kidding me. He made Godzilla one. He made Miss Mothra one. Okay, what does this card say right here? Kevin, heart you, Goji. Okay, I guess that's something. Okay, thanks, Kevin. Kevin thinks you're the best, Miss Mothra.
Aw, what a lovely card. It's so pink and pretty. Glitter.
Kevin loves roasted chicken. It's my favorite.
Kevin loves roasted chicken, huh? Alright, I see how it is. Next time I take to the sky, I know whose head I'm aiming for.
Even Rodan got the card, but I didn't. I'm his big brother after all. I wanted one too. It's not fair. Kevin knows Nee loves Bitty Bitty. Bitty 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 mate. You know what, Nee? You can take your Bitty 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 and your Valentine's Day card. I hope you're happy with each other. Hey, Ichi. What is it, Kevin? I made one for you too. Of course I wouldn't forget about you, big brother Ichi. What? You made me a card? What does it say? Kevin loves Ichi, my big brother. Okay. What does it say, mate? Nothing, Nee. Don't look. Oh, come on, mate. Just let me get a quick little read here. You're welcome, Ichi. Whatever, Kevin. Whatever. Happy Valentine's Day. Bitty, 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 mate. Ha ha ha! He wrote you an embarrassing card, mate. Shut up, Nee. No one needs to hear your bitty, bitty, bitty. Bitty, 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 mate. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.